My name is Griffin Fair, and this may be my last true story I'll ever talk about. As I walk through the candy cane forest, I hear tales of these two men. One was named Maxx, and he was raised by a wild pack of coyotes who drank the blood of lost travelers. The other was named Weston. He was the daughter of King Louis XIV. These two men loved barrels and they loved pep assemblies, so they decided to put these two together and throw the most amazing pep assembly at LBHS High School.